Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Michelle Paris and Bags. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, please subscribe and turn off the notification button. On today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to make this lovely mini bag. This is the measurements we are going to be needing for the bag. So now this is the handle of the bag. You measure 1 inch. From there you start your sewing and sew to the other edge. So you also measure 1 inch at the edge. So after stitching the handle, you put your hose. Put your hose inside. So after fixing your hose, you take one of the cover that you cut. So now at the edge you measure 2 inches in. You now take your tape rule, you measure 1.2 inches in also, as I'm doing. At the edge of your cover, you measure 1.5 inches in. So now at the side, you measure 1 inch in, and at the other side too. So now you now take your eyelet, you make hole there. So now after doing that, you take your scissors, you make hole. So this is after making the hole. You now put your eyelet. So you put the cover. So you take your small knife. I'm using small knife. So you cut the edge of your eyelet. Just cut it down. So now you fix the 4 eyelets. So now you take your handle, you trim off the edge, just little. You now put it inside your eyelet. after putting your handle, you take your gum, so after fixing your handle, now you have to cut a piece of cloth, maybe 4 inches by 12 inches. So now you just sew it. So after sewing it, you now attach it to that place at the flap, the front of the flap cover. So this is the way I'm doing it. So now you take the other side of the cover, you take your magnetic snap. So you measure the middle of my flap cover is 1.5. So now I now fix the other side of the magnet. So after fixing it, this is how it is. You now stitch, you sew it round. So this is after sewing. So now you now take one side of your bag, now measure 1 inch straight. So you take your flap cover, you now stitch it to that 1 inch. After stitching, this is what we have. So now you now take the leather you cut for your D ring, you now fix it to the side of your leather. in it before facing the other magnetic snap. So you put clothes inside your bag, you now put it like this and press it down. Everything, this is our bag. Thanks for watching. Bye.